Do I look handsome now? Hi guys! My mom and dad are going to cut my hair because my hair is long and I don't want to go to the barber shop because I hate this COVID and I don't want to get infected.
A few moments later.
We also have this brush to remove itchiness or hair. See? Do I look handsome now? Leave it in the comments below. But I'm not finished. I'm going to stay still because my dad might cut off my ears. Do I still have my 2 ears? Time out. My butt's itchy. Oh. No, don't look at my butt! It's my mom's turn now to trim my hair.
A few moments later.
Mommy, are we done yet?
Not yet.
Now for the finishing touch.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Do I look good now? Cause I've been here for like 3 hours. Finally, it's done! Ha! I still have my 2 ears and I feel refreshed. Please like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss another video. Bye!